In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view market hours on eToro. If you want to quickly check whether an asset is currently tradable, eToro makes that information easy to find once you know where to look. This is useful for stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and other assets, especially if you want to know whether the market is open right now, closed for the day, or in off-hours trading. To get started, sign in to your eToro account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main platform and ready to search for the asset you want to check. Make sure you're fully signed in so you can access the asset pages and see the most up-to-date platform information. Next, go to the search bar and type in the name or symbol of the asset you're interested in. You can use this to find a stock, an ETF, a cryptocurrency, or another available instrument on the platform. As you type, eToro will usually show matching results, which helps you find the correct asset more quickly. When you see the asset in the search results, click on it to open its dedicated page. This page gives you a closer look at that specific market, including pricing and other trading-related details. It's the main place where you'll find the market status. Once the asset page is open, look just below the asset name and the current price. This is where eToro typically displays the market status. Pay attention to that section because it tells you whether the market is currently open, closed, or in off-hours trading. This can be especially helpful if you're planning a trade and want to understand whether execution may happen immediately or only when regular market hours resume. Take a moment to review the market hours information shown there. The wording may vary depending on the asset type, but the key thing is to identify the current status. For example, cryptocurrencies may behave differently from traditional market assets, so it's always a good idea to check the status directly on the asset page instead of assuming. If you want more detail, you can optionally select Full Trading View. This gives you additional market information and a more expanded layout, which can be useful if you're doing a deeper review before placing a trade. While this step is optional, it can help you better understand the asset's trading environment. Finally, review the trading information displayed on the asset page. This helps confirm the current status and gives you a clearer picture of how that asset is trading on eToro. Thanks for watching.